Right? Since we know we cannot change in the mutable and immutable, so we can only try to access and add this item for the list. So right here, the list the flute. So I'm gonna introduce several ways we can add it, we can access, we can insert. So first one, since the list is mutable, that means you can change. So we have several functions we can use to the list. The first one would be appended. Right? So for example, right here, I'm trying to add one flute. At the end of the list, which is, I'm trying to add a banana, all right? So, all right? Now, once we enter, so banana will be end of the list, okay? If you're trying to print out them, we can try flute. So banana would be at the end. Okay. So also we can do something we call the insert. So for example, I want to insert one flute between the cherry and banana. What do we do? Okay. As we talked about it before, there's index, right? The index. So there's one method we call the insert. In the insert, we have two parameters you can put. The first parameter right here is for the index. The second, it should be the item you're trying to add. Okay, so for example, I want to add something at the location before the banana. So let's look at what's the index for the banana. Okay, so starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So banana would be the 3. So we trying to insert. Then we put index will be 3. The item I'm trying to add a grape. All right. Then if I try to print out them again, you will say grape before the banana. All right. So again, since we know you can add it, so append you add in the end of the list. Insert, you can insert anywhere of the list. So you should know how to delete. Okay, so there's several ways you can delete. One of the way we call the remove. Okay, the remove, you can remove one of the certain item. Okay, in the parameter, it should be the objects you're trying to remove. So for example, flute remove. I trying to remove, let me see, I trying to remove the apple. So I just say apple. Then you can see if I'm trying to test them out. So apple is removed. So there's another way you can remove, which we call the pop. Okay, so this one, the pop used index instead of the the object's name. Okay, so we can see flute dot pop. I want to remove the cherry. So that look at here, what's the index of the cherry? So we start with 0, right? 0, 1. If I say 1, Okay, cherry would have been removed. If I say again, so cherry would have been not here. At the same time, the pop will return the one you just removed. Okay,